Hi guys, you're welcome to Sisi Eko's kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you how to make mini pizza without oven. This size of pizza is very perfect for parties, pizza nights, and even breakfast at home. So stay tuned and see how to make them. For the dough, I have 2 cups of flour in the bowl. Add 1/8 cup of sugar, half tablespoon of grated nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and mix everything together. Add 2 spoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of lukewarm water to activate the yeast. So we don't mix this recipe with cold water, we mix with warm water. All right? So mix everything together. Knead with your hands. Place the dough on your work surface and begin to knead. Continue kneading until you have a smooth and soft dough. Place the dough back into the mixing bowl and cover it with your kitchen towel. Place in a room temperature for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, can you see how it has doubled its original size? Wow. So place it back on your work surface and knead it a little. This time you don't need to knead it with all your power, just knead it a bit. Yeah? Roll it, divide it into 2 and set one aside. So flatten the dough with your rolling pin and get a round cutter and cut the dough into rounds. Mark your fingers on the dough by dipping your hands on it. Look at what I'm doing. Do same using fork on the dough also. This will actually help the dough not to rise too much when we put it on fire. Then use your brush and apply vegetable oil on the dough. Grease your pan with vegetable oil and then place the dough in the pan and put on fire. Bake with low heat so that the bread doesn't get too brown or burnt, because it will be going into the fire the second time. So this first time, it doesn't need to brown too much. So this is what we have here. This is very okay. You can see the brown part. That brown part is going to serve as the top, while this other part is going to serve as the base. Yeah, so that's part when it's going into the fire the second time, that's the part that is going to be on the pan. So this part, this brown part, is where we're going to be placing our pizza toppings. Here are my desired pizza toppings. This is tomato sauce. I use ketchup and little mayonnaise to mix to get this. You see my diced hot dog, then green bell pepper and red bell pepper, then my grated cheese. All right. Yeah, see, this is me showing you how to place it. You see, I'm placing the brown part to face up while the other part is facing the pan, is on the pan. So I'll start by applying my sauce. on the bread. Yeah, spread it very well with your spoon. This is the diced hot dog. The bell peppers. And then sprinkle the cheese on them. I must tell you the truth, I didn't sprinkle the cheese on them, I packed the cheese on them. So anyhow you like to sprinkle your cheese, it's okay. The choice is yours, okay? So I packed mine. If you want to sprinkle yours, it's okay. So after sprinkling the cheese, cover the pot and put it on fire. So this time you bake with a very low heat, but since the toppings doesn't need much heat to cook, so after 1 minute of cooking, put off the fire and allow steam to do the rest of the cooking. Correct. You see what we have here? This look beautiful, yummy and delicious. Only the aroma self you go confirm. Beautiful. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share my video, please share with your loved ones and your friends. All right. So here is the pizza. Let us cut one together and see what it looks like. Wow. Can you see the cheese? Can you see how elastic it is? This is beautiful. So here is the bread. I made a lot of this bread. So this, you can actually store this in your refrigerator. Anytime you feel like eating pizza, you can just prepare your desired toppings. Boom, your pizza is ready.